Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, 16th April, and I'm on my way to work, and it's raining, and I love it, because I live in Washington, and I love the rain. Well, today, for penny stocks to watch today.com, I want to do a midweek review this week because it's been somewhat of a slow week in the penny stock market. And it's been a slow week, I think, all around the market trading area. I mean, what's causing that? People are slowing down a little bit. I mean, our gross domestic product, that's GDP, is mostly built up by consumer retail. So 70% of our GDP comes from retail. Because America, we love to shop. And if you notice around the country, gas prices are steadily climbing. It went up last week. I thought this week it would go maybe steady, but get a little steadier. But nope, they went up again. 370, 375. Stop already. Anyway, so gas prices goes up. People stop shopping because you got to get to work, right? But yeah, to do a quick review on stocks on our watch list. Remember, we've got EcoB, that's Eco Building Products, a little company that's getting their products again on the shelves at Home Depot. You can go online and look for their products. They make fire retardant material, paints, sprays to put on your Christmas tree, things like that. And they make fire retardant lumber. It also protects from mold, mildew, things that you'd want to build your house with. Another one is Andes Gold. Stock symbol is AGCZ. Just hovering at their stock price of right under 1/100 of a penny. 0.00078. I think it's time to buy because they're getting a lot of volume at that price without moving. I think people, of course, are just painting the price, painting the stock so that when it's time to move, they'll be able to make some money off it and then dilute by diluting it again. But you don't need to worry about that. You just get it and then stay tuned. When we call it, what do they say? It's time to sell it. So you can get in on the company's efforts to raise money. So anyway, Wednesday. Yesterday, I gave you a stock, and it was MRIB, Marani Brands. Again, vodka manufacturer, now also distributor. Just signed. They're distributing in Mexico, and they're really working hard to try to distribute worldwide. It's a premium vodka that they sell, and they're distributing in California, and they just signed another deal with a distributor. I think pushing out to another 30 states. Anyway, do your due diligence and check them out, MRIB, and if you don't feel like it, you don't have to. You can join the club. Penny Stocks to Watch Today allows you to subscribe to a service that sends you text on advisements to buy and advisements to sell. That way, if you're busy doing what you do, let those people who like to do what they do, which is sit around and research stocks and find that as a national pastime of their own, help you make some money on your money that you're just sitting on. Don't let it just sit there. Buy some property, get into the stock market. And the last thing I want to talk about today is penny stocks and its image, its reputation. People are very negative. A lot of people are negative about penny stocks, that they're volatile and they're speculative and it's a gamble. I think it's just like everything else in life. Everything is how you look at it. I mean, take a guy who's a base jumper. Ask him what he thinks about base jumping. He's going to tell you, man, it is a thrill when your stomach goes up to your throat and you feel that ground coming towards you, and there's a rush of adrenaline that you just can't explain, and you just got to have more of it. And then you ask somebody who's afraid of heights, and they'll look at you like, oh, that's a terrifying experience. The rope will break, you're going to die. So paradigm, right? Well, here's a different paradigm for you for penny stocks. America, invest in America. You don't have to be a millionaire to invest, okay? You can open up an account for 500 bones, dude, and invest. And what are you investing in? Forget penny stocks, man. You're investing in companies. They just happen that are small, that are trying to hire people, and you don't even realize that a lot of these companies that have people, that have employees, when they get investors to invest in their companies and they raise that money, they're able to hire people. They're hiring our sisters, our brothers, our neighbors, our friends. They're growing the company. They're striving to be a company that's going to stabilize the local community and economy. I mean, and you can do that. You can do that. If you make $2,000 a month, you can do that. If you make $4,000 a month, you can do that. And if they grow, if they hit it big and do something, become a home brand, a household brand, you would profit from that. You profit from that, and that if you invested in that company, even a couple of $100, and it goes from a penny stock to $1, you know? Sure, maybe you wouldn't be a millionaire, but maybe you'd make enough money to buy a new car. Maybe you'd make enough money to pay off your house. Maybe you'd make enough money to go back to school. Maybe you'd make enough money to do something nice for someone you care about. Anyway, invest in America, America. Penny stocks. If you do your due diligence, you can find companies out there that are really working hard to make money, to do well, and they're honest, and they have integrity. And that's all you got to do, is you do your due diligence. Because like anything else in life, there are going to be bad apples. There are going to be bad seeds. But there's good companies out there that just happen to have a penny stock that's publicly traded, so that they can raise money to maybe hire those extra employees and help out the community. So that's my take on penny stocks. Of course, at the same time, I'm not going to be all one-sided. There's a lot of speculation. There's the scrupulous bunch out there that are trying to put up a stock symbol to get a quick buck, of course. But that's fewer than most. So get with me. Listen to me. Find out with me what the hard-working companies are. Whether it's here in America, whether it's in Europe, wherever, Canada. And let's try to help them raise their money while we gain a little profit for ourselves to help ourselves. Anyway, that's Wednesday morning for pennystockstowatchtoday.com. Take it easy.